have to make sure the top of the box is flat before I glue the soundboard on. There's a hump there. That's got it. Now all I need to do is take the hump out of this side. I'm sure there's one there now. Now that one's open in the middle. That looks good. Now let's see if I've introduced wind back into it. And this corner's high again. Not by much. Did it. There's just enough of an angle here so the inside is what's holding things up. So this should take care of it. Because of the taper on the box, the spool clamps all have to be set to different lengths. So I'm doing that before I mix up the glue and laying them out so I have the most efficient, quickest way to get this thing clamped up. I'm going to glue the soundboard on with epoxy, so I have masked everything out that I can to minimize cleanup afterwards. Epoxy is really difficult to clean up. just a little bit of squeeze out, which is just what I want. I cleaned up the edges with 80 grit. I'm going to go on up through the grits, 120, 150, 180, 220. I think I'll stop there. Well, the soundbox is now done. I'll spend several days applying the French polish, and then we'll see about adding some hardware and joining it to the neck pillar assembly. If you're enjoying these videos, please consider becoming a patron. Patrons get early access to all the videos and some exclusive content as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.